Before uploading, you can choose to trim your video so only a portion of it is published. You can move around these sliders to position where you want your video to start and end. Press the E key to jump to the end slider, or press the S key to jump to the start slider. The section in between these sliders will be saved and uploaded. To publish the whole recording, make sure the sliders are at the start and end of your video. Unless your recording is set up at 720p or 1080p size, it will be resized to 720p. This may add black bars at the top or sides of your recording if you didn't use one of the HD sizes provided in the recorder. We recommend you record at 720p, which will give you best results when uploading. If you didn't record at one of the HD sizes, then you can still resize and reposition the video to fill the 720p size. When you're ready to upload your finished recording, click on the menu icon here to pull up all of your upload options. Click YouTube. If this is your first upload, you will be prompted to add your account. Grant the screen recorder access to upload to your account. Once you allow and finish this process, you will see the publishing settings for this upload. Click on Account if you want to add another account or switch to a different account. Click on Title to change the title of your video. Click Description to add a short description of this video. If you want to provide tags for the video in YouTube, then click on this box and enter comma-delimited tags. You can choose if you want the video to be public, private, or unlisted on YouTube here. Here you can choose the applicable category for your video. Finally, you can increase or decrease the quality of the video, which can help speed up the upload process. Click the Published button once you're ready to go. After your video is uploaded, get a link to copy or use Quick Share buttons to easily share to Facebook and Twitter. You can also find these links again by clicking on the history icon, which shows a history of all the publishing you've done from the computer you are on right now. Create, share, and experience video with Screencast-O-Matic.